Okay, here we are at the Bayfront Inn on 5th Avenue in downtown Naples. Almost downtown, just a few blocks from downtown. And we're gonna go inside the lobby this morning, do a lobby tour, and also a front desk area tour, and also the pool, the fitness center. So we're gonna see a whole bunch of cool stuff. Oh, the restaurant and bar is in the back. So the front entrance is flanked by these pretty little water fountains. Nothing extremely fancy. And then you come up to the front desk by going up these stairs. And there's the front desk. We also have a little concession room over here with sodas and other drinks. A computer station with printing capabilities. An ice cream case that's kind of sparsely stocked. You can also buy some books. Not sure who these people are. Maybe some local publishers. Not sure. And then here's some candies. And a cool nifty little tote bag with the Bayfront Inn logo on it. Okay, then continuing past the front desk, straight through the lobby, is the beautiful ceiling fans that are spinning very slowly and peacefully. And then beyond that is a beautiful outdoor restaurant bar overlooking the bay, the Naples Bay, within the Marina over that way. And this bar restaurant is very well attended at night. It's been a very crowded social scene in there. Here's their menu. It's called the Bamboo Tropical Grill. There's their breakfast menu. And there's a lunch and dinner menu. And there's their hours. And then over here, behind that, not sure what this area is. Maybe it used to be a little breakfast nook before COVID. It might have been a continental style breakfast over there. All right, we're gonna walk down the hall from the lobby. Down this hall are a bunch of guest rooms, also some administrative rooms, offices for staff, and here's the fitness center. I'm gonna try and go in there with our key card if it's open. You never know. Oh, the door is open. We don't even need a key card. So the fitness center is pretty complete. It's got a treadmill. It's got an elliptical. It's got a stationary bike. It's got a few free weights here, dumbbells, and a workout bench right there. And then behind me there's a nautical type machine called the, what is it called? It's called the Pro Maxima. And it basically does anything that your standard exercise station does. And then there's some mats and some physio balls over here. There's even a little fridge over here for your water and some towels for your workout if you sweat up a storm. And there's a bathroom over in the corner. So that's it of the fitness center. Next, we're gonna go down the hall to the pool. Outdoor pool. It's right on a busy highway, so I'm not sure how the noise is going to be out here. If we're going to get much noise from the highway. There's your towels for the pool as soon as you go out the door. And here's a nice little sun deck. So you can sunbathe out here on the deck of the pool. And they even have a hot tub. I didn't realize that. I probably would have come down here last night if I had known there was a hot tub. But there it is. Pretty good deep hot tub. So as you can see, I mentioned the main highway is right behind this pool area. You can see it through this opening. There's a bridge that goes over to another section of Naples. So yeah, I can imagine this area gets a little bit noisy at certain times of the day. And again, there you see the Bayfront Inn sign on 5th Avenue. And here's the Marina that I featured in another video. It's a little bit blocked by these trees. There's a walkway from the Marina over to that bridge area that we were just pointing to. Here's somebody coming from the bridge area to the Marina, and there's a bunch of shops and restaurants and bars beyond the Marina. Here's a little bit better view of that area. Again, the Marina is right below us, and then the shops and restaurants and bars are all right over there on that little side street that runs alongside the hotel. So yeah, it's a pretty view over there. And then coming back here to the pool, there's a nice little waterfall down at the end of the pool where you can hang out under the waterfall, get some massage therapy from the waterfall. And that's it for the pool area. Looking over this balcony, we can see the parking area where we started the video. And that's it for this tour of the lobby, fitness center, restaurant, marina, and pool area of the Bayfront Inn. Okay, we'll see you out in the sun on the beach.